Hi, in this video, we will be sharing with you how to update your TikTok product SKUs and inventory level through the import and export function from your TikTok Seller Center. Firstly, select products from your TikTok Seller Center and then select Batch Tools. Click on Bulk Edit Products. Click on Select Product. Make sure that you have selected all the products. Step 2, select Sales Information and then click on Generate Template. Wait for the file to be generated and then click on Download. Upon opening the Excel file, you will notice that it is under Protected View. Click on Enable Editing and then go into File, select Info and click Unprotect so that you are able to make the changes into the file. But before we start filtering and editing the data, let's understand what should we look at. There are only two columns to look into here, provided if you want to update stock quantity to make it the main store for the inventory linking. Or else, there's only one column to look into here in this TikTok export file, which is Seller SKU. The rules and conditions for the Seller SKU is shown as well. As for the stock column, you can update the latest and most accurate stock quantity here if you are wanting to make this store your main store for inventory linking. However, please be reminded that your Seller Center will still be able to receive orders while you are working on this. When you import this file back into the Seller Center, these numbers here will override the current quantity that you have in Seller Center. We do not recommend you to take a long time to update this file if you are editing the stock quantity. With all this important information explained, we will now start to filter and work on the file. Click on line 3 to highlight the entire row and then click on Sort and Filter, select Filter. We will need to check if there's any duplicated Seller SKU. Click on column G to highlight the entire column. Click on Conditional Formatting, highlight, Duplicate Values. Press OK. Now, all of your duplicated Seller SKU will be highlighted. Please amend it correctly and properly so that all the products have an unique Seller SKU. All you need to do here is to ensure that the SKU in TikTok are the exact same as the SKU in other marketplaces as well, such as Shopee and Lazada. To upload the file, go back into TikTok Seller Center, click on Products, Batch Tool, click on Bulk Edit Products, click on the Upload tab, drag and drop the updated file earlier and upload it into TikTok Seller Center. So, this is how you perform mass update into TikTok Seller Center. Thank you for watching the video.